Hello everyone, Xenia's here. In today's video, I'll tell you how to make your own handwritten font and add it to Procreate. Today we will be using a website called Calligraphr. It will help us to create the font from scratch. Firstly, we need to go to the website and download a template. Click on the template tab on the top and choose what language you will use and how many symbols. With the free version, you can add up to 75 glyphs, but that's enough, for example, for basic English. To add more characters to any basic template, use the arbitrary characters, type the characters or choose them from the given lists. When you are satisfied with the characters you're gonna be using, click Download Template. You can use PDF or PNG formats. For Procreate we can use both, however the PNG will be enough for us. You can change the cell size where you'll need to write your symbols in, however for now let's leave it as it is by default. And we will need to check the checkboxes with draw helplines and characters as backgrounds. They will help us with making the letters. So you downloaded the clean template and now we need to put it into Procreate. Now grab the brush you like and write down the symbols. The helping lines will show you how big your letters should be, both upper and lowercase. Also, it absolutely doesn't mean that you will need to write down only the letters. For example, you can add different symbols or little pictures, and they will be attached to the key on the keyboard. When you're done with your symbols, we will need to get back to the website and upload the template we created. Click on My Fonts tab and choose Upload Template. Now you can see how your letters look, and if you are not satisfied with the result, you can delete the symbols. You can also add the variants of the same letters, but you will need to upload a different template and add the symbols to the existing fonts. We can adjust the baselines and the size of the letters by clicking on the character and choosing Edit. There are a few brushes there and also an eraser, so you can fix some minor mistakes. Also, you can click on Adjust the baseline or size and see how all your letters look like all together. Baseline stands for the position of your character on the helping lines. Adjust the letters' size and baseline there so they are all similar to one another. When you are done with this, you can also edit the font details. There you can change the spacing between characters and words and the general size of your font. Now it's time to build a font if you are satisfied with the results. Click the Build Font button and see how your font looks. You can see the alphabet as well as you can see how it will look spacing and size-wise. If you are not satisfied with the spacing and size, get back to Edit Font Details and experiment with the options. When you are fully satisfied with the result, download the TTF or OTF files you see on the top of your screen. Now upload them into Procreate through importing a font into the text editing panel. And that's it for making your own handwritten font. Hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you still have any questions, write them down in the comment section down below. Watch the next video to learn more about Procreate features. See ya!